Okay, hello there. Just a quick video. The new Hot Wheels model that I've got here. It's the wheelie chair, which you can just see here. It's boxed at the moment, of course. So I'm just going to unbox that, and then we'll come and have a closer look at it. Well, it's very quirky, a bit different, I think you might agree. Nice sort of pink padding there. And the main theme obviously is black. Yeah, I think quite a nice quirky one there. Not sure it would win too many races though. I think it's probably more of a collector's piece that you'd you know, perhaps put on the display cabinet. Yeah, probably fun and collectible though, I should think. Apparently, it's not something I'd heard of before with Hot Wheels. Probably all you Hot Wheels fans out there would know that. But you can get these figures that to kind of attach to them, so maybe they can sit in them or fly on, hold on to the back handles at the back and things like that. That sounds like that's a great idea actually. Anyway, let me know what you think. Till next time, goodbye.